Hi guys, so 4 or 5 years ago, I don't remember, I did an unboxing of the PSM 80A or 100A. I honestly don't even remember without looking back at the video, but I've had some comments still recently about opening the filter on the back, and I was wrong in the comments. You can open the filter at the back, except it seems that for first time opening it would need the strength of the Hulk and the dexterity of a rogue to get it open. So my top tips are: first, take the instructions and then close them, set them aside. Filter box, and I've got a handy little 1.5mm, sorry, this one's a 2mm flat blade, and then at the back I will try and get this tab up. And here's where I do it with no cuts. So just try and get the flat blade under and prise it up. And once it's prised up, so now look at the camera, see what you can see. I get a slightly larger but still small flat blade and just edge in and twist along. It seems that once you've done this once, it loosens up. So I still do this when I need to empty it. I'll just go along like that until the whole thing's open at the back, and then it just opens up. Then it's like the instruction manual and just opens up once you've prised it open, and then just clips back together. Even after doing it once or twice or many times, it will loosen up a bit, but you still need a bit of work on that tab. They only put a tab on one side, which is silly, but once you've done that once or twice, it'll open. The material is quite strong, so let me see if I can zoom in. Refocus. It's not going to take that much of a beating, even going at it with a screwdriver like that. So anyway, there's a quick 3-minute video on opening the back for anyone who's interested.